Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 6, Lesson 6. We're on page 411 of your math books. We're going to learn how to multiply decimals by powers of 10. So example 1. Josh will need to make 10 payments of $32.25 to purchase a new skimboard. What is the total cost of the skimboard? Well, if you notice, so we're working with powers of 10, so it's 10, 1, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. If you notice the example, it says the non-zero digits are in the same. The decimal point in the product moved one place to the right. So if you look at this, and you look at this, it says the non-zero digits are the same. So all the digits are the same except for this added 0. So we have 3225. 3225 in the bottom, plus a 0. Because we're working with money. But if you notice, the decimal place moved one place to the right because we're multiplying it by 10. So instead of 32.25, it moved one place to the right to be 322.50. So that's the main thing that we're going to be working with. So if you look here, $32.25 turn into $322.50. So the skimboard cost $322.50. So numbers like 10, 100, and 1,000 are powers of 10. They can be written with exponents of base 10. So 10 to the first power is 10, 10 to the second power is 100, 10 to the third power is 1,000. So this is something you're going to have to know. This is something, as long as you know exponents, but these are good ones just to know off the top of your head. There's 1 0 in 10, 2 zeros in 100, 3 zeros in 1,000, and then our exponents 1, 2, and 3. So the number of zeros is the same number that of your exponent. Example 2. Find 24 7/10 times 10 to the second power. So we know 10 to the second power equals 100. So before, when it was times 10, we only moved it the decimal once. But now that we're doing 100, there's 2 zeros, we're going to be moving the decimal twice. So if we have 24 sevenths, and if I'm multiplying it by 100, my number's going to be getting bigger. So my answer needs to be bigger. I'm going to move it 2 decimal places. So that means I'm going to add a little 0 right there. So we're at 2,470. So the number of zeros is how many times you're going to be moving that decimal place to the right for this lesson. So go ahead and try the guided practice. If you did the guided practice, 54 hundredths times 10. So if it's times 10, I'm going to move it to the right once because 10 only has 1 0. So I get 5 4/10. So if I'm multiplying by 100, since it's 2 zeros, I'm going to move it to the right twice. And that's going to give me 832. And for 1,000, there's 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Need to annex. Let me do it on the bottom for 3 zeros. So I'm going to move it to the right 3 times. And that means I need to annex a 0. So I'm at 7,460. But that's the end of the lesson, so thank you for watching.